Can someone send help, please?
That's a go for Captain Jack. Get off. What's your location, son?
Uranus. No, seriously, I think I'm in a box.
What?
I don't know. I think I'm in a box.
Well, how the fuck did you get in the box?
The internet. I think the internet put me in a box.
All right, what's the box's coordinates, son?
I don't know. I'm trying to see outside. I think I'm in. Oh, we're back home in motherfucking Cleveland, baby!
I'm getting word from base. We have traced your device. You sit tight, son. We're coming to get you. Over and out. Holy shit! What's going on, everybody? Well, I came here looking for a missing, skinny, tall, pink-haired motherfucker, but you guys are way cooler than this. I'm gonna put a hold on that. I'm just gonna fly around and look at you all real quick. Oh yeah, what's going on this side? Always wanted to be a musician. Put your hands up. Wow. All right, I should just park this goddamn thing and come down there with. Oh, here we're swinging the spotlight around. Hold on. I don't see him. Thank God I took all these years of flight lessons. Thank God I went to helicopter school right after I graduated. Thank God I watched Top Gun and, hey everybody, look at me. No hands. Look at me. I'm flying this shit with my knees. Look. Any couples out there? Anybody's first date tonight? Coming here? Sometimes they say when I put my lower lip above my upper lip like this, helps me fly better. Oh shit. Hey man, hey! It looks like you're on your 10th beer. You need to slow down. The show hasn't even started.